Hello, friends. Hope that everyone is having a blessed and prosperous day. This is Sophisticated Saturdays. And, friends, on today, I decided to do something simple and elegant on my kitchen counter. And I'm telling you, through it all, it came out great. And I thank you so much for stopping in on today. Now, as I take you through this, it's already put together. Friends, I usually do not decorate my kitchen counter because of space for the fall. But this time I decided to go ahead and do it. And my husband got up this morning and he said, "Oh, I love that." So I hope that you are getting something inspirational out of this and hope that you are having a blessed and prosperous day. Here's the look when I cut it off at night. Yes, guys, we're in this season when they said this the time of spooky, but this is the time of blessings. But guys, yes, this is how I look at night. And I said, oh wow, I wish I would have already gotten the lights to go under my kitchen cabinet, and that will come up sooner or later. But I just wanted to have fun with this on today. Now, this is my kitchen vignette. The pumpkins are so very beautiful in color and that black accent, that silhouette black pumpkin that came from the Dollar Tree. And I also found this beautiful plate that says, "Be thankful." We got so much to be thankful for, guys. So, friends, I'm telling you, I just wanted to do this beautiful vignette in this Sophisticated Saturdays with the ladies of elegance. They are the hosts, Miss Anthony's Adventure, Miss Courtney, Miss Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel. And on this Sophisticated Saturday, they have a guest. We have Miss Jodi from Miss Jodi's Cozy Cottage. And I want to thank you so much, ladies, for putting this together. Friends, there's a playlist. I hope y'all enjoyed this on today. And I hope you got something inspirational out of this. Stay motivated and continue to do your best. I hope you stay blessed. And if you're new on today, welcome. I would love for you to join my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Friends, you're welcome to share this video. Now, as you see in this, I did add my cutting board and I add a picture I had on the wall previously and some things I bought from Home Goods for Decor. So I kind of thinking out the box. So I hope y'all enjoy this on today. I appreciate each one of you, and always remember, if God be for you, who can be against you? Please continue to watch, and y'all continue to be blessed. God bless you, and I'll see you on my next video.